What's up, guys? It's Tristan K here, aka Dark Destiny, and I'm just gonna tell you guys I have a dog now, and her name's Tori. And so yeah, we're gonna be playing this. Watch what happens. Come on, Tori. This is Tori. Comment down if you come on. She likes to play a lot. What? Go, run, jump. Come on, Tori. Tori. Look, you guys. Look. Here comes it. She's super fluffy. She can also be some fabulous. And I'm gonna go get a bone. She has a bone. Oi! You okay, Tori? Tori just hit her leg on like a chair or something. She's only 3 months old. Her full name is her middle name is her first name is Tori, but I'm not gonna say it's Tori K Fonseca, like my last name. Come on. Look, guys, watch. Tori. Look at Tori. Tori. Look, ready? Tori, wait. Go! If you guys could see that. Go get the bone, Tori. Uh-oh. Sorry, I got that. Okay. Okay, guys. I got the bone. Tori. Come on. Oh my god, guys. Oi, Tori. No. Okay, guys. Tori, ready? Tori. Ready, guys? Good girl, Tori. Oh my god. We still learning it because I got it on my birthday, July 3rd. If you in the comments, if you guys want to say happy birthday, go ahead. Like this video, subscribe. If you want to keep. Come on, Tori. Oh, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Tori, no. Sorry, guys. She's going cray-cray. You guys want to see her go? I already posted another one that says my dog is crazy. So yeah. Sorry. She's like, ah! So I just got back from running from Tori. I'm gonna go put it in the cage.
Yeah, that's true. I don't work here at Game Shakers. I'm just a scummy waiter at Fooders. I'm sorry I lied to you.
I don't care that you lied to me.
You don't?
No. I care because I never date a waiter. What do you say we all celebrate with some sparkling apple juice?
Look how crazy she's gonna go.
What? Tripped in 7 push-ups.
That's her cage, by the way. She has a ball and something else. This is her. You guys want to? If I at least get 20 likes, I'll make another video. Either you guys comment Overwatch, or that. And also, I'm starting there's this like, what was it called? There's like this event I have to go to with my cousin. Like, he's a good YouTuber. There's this like event that he made with his mom. So yeah, I'm gonna be going. So yeah. I'm not going to be posting there because I'm going to have lots of fun. I'll try to post a video if I can. So yeah, this is the last pic of my thing. And her toys are right there. I just don't know where the bone is. You guys saw the bone, right? Comment down for the video. So, bye guys. Peace.